Sometimes life can be tough. The weight of our problems can seem overwhelming. We can feel lost, alone, and without hope. But the only person who loves you before you're even born is your mother. So on this Mother's Day, it's time to show the special woman in your life how much you appreciate her. And the best way to express your love for your mother is by giving her a gift. This is a way of expressing gratitude and showing how much they are valued and appreciated. At MotherDayGifts.us we have a wide variety of high-quality products at affordable prices. Our personalized necklaces from Mother's Day gifts are the perfect way to say thank you and show her just how much you care. Because at the end of the day it's the little things that matter the most. So whether it's a personalized necklaces or flashing colorful LED, make sure your mother knows just how much she's appreciated this Mother's Day. So do visit on Mother Day Gifts to make your Mother's Day special.